Today, a God that created lightning is part of a myth, but a God that created rainbows is part of a religion. Why? What's the difference between these two words? If we define a myth as something that's simply not true, do religious people consider all other religions as myths? Do we consider fictional characters such as Frodo and Gandalf as myths? Is the difference in the devoutness of believers in regards to religious faith, traditions, and customs? But no one was more devout in their religious beliefs than the ancient Egyptians, whose religion lasted for over 3,000 years, and yet Isis, Osiris, Horus, and Set are now considered myths. We generally define myths as traditional stories with supernatural elements that people used to believe were true, but now these people died a long time ago and no longer have any real representation. The difference between a religion and a myth is time. Yesterday's religions were today's myths. Today's religions are tomorrow's myths. Imagine 1,000 years from now, if no one or just a extremely few amount of people believe in Allah. People will be talking about Islam the same way people today talk about Greek mythology. And this gets into the mortality of gods. If people stopped believing, every single religion today would be a myth. Mythology teaches us that no matter how much somebody believes in something or how much somebody has faith in something, that doesn't make it true. This is Jim Wall. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Cisco, do we have to leave all our good friends now?
Only until next time, Pancho. Adios, amigos.